And now we move on to our announcement section. Austin, do we have any announcements?
So for us, for some time, we are taking hiatus out of our web presence because we have some security problems to deal with. So you can check us out on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/blind Android users, and also check our social media for all the new podcast shares and all. We'll be keeping you updated as we make any progress on the website, and as any shorts or any parts of the episode goes up on YouTube, they'll be shared on the social media such as Twitter and all.
Thanks, Austin. Yes, do bear with us while we fix the website.
Yeah, because some people are kind of like have been constantly attacking our website. And so we want to make sure that everybody's secure. And so we're looking into the possibilities. And so for the time being, as Austin has indicated, we're just going to try to find a way to fixing that and how best to go about doing that. But of course, you can always find us on those social media sites. And of course, we'll also try to make sure that when we upload these little clips as well as the main podcast, that we also post those things on our social media sites so that you guys could have access to it. And we thank you guys for continuing to be, faithful listeners and all of that. We really appreciate that. It means a lot to us. So we're working on these things, and you guys hang in there. It will all be fine.
Thanks, Warren. That's quite right.